welcome back, everyone. It is National Mango Day. Tomorrow, we're setting you up because it's a really big day. We know many of you like this very special fruit.
And so Des is giving us a little sneak peek of what they're putting on the menu at Pei Wei. That looks delicious.
Oh my goodness, so juicy.
Doesn't it look so good? Oh my gosh, it smells so good as well, you guys. This is a beautiful new dish launching at Pei Wei starting tomorrow. And we are here in the kitchen with Chef Ben to show you exactly how it's created. So Chef, you've got that dish deconstructed and you're going to show us how to put it together. But what is it? It looks so incredible.
This is our new honey mango chili chicken. It's really delicious because of all the different flavors that come together. We've got our crispy chicken with a mango sauce, chili paste, chili flakes, mangoes, some chili oil. So even though there's a lot of chili in the name, it's actually not that spicy. It's more just about flavor. So it's really, really great.
So let's build this and talk about the Pei Wei experience and what makes the food here so special. So if folks have never been into the restaurant, they place their order. Walk us through what it would be like to make this.
Absolutely, I'm going to do it for you. But like you said, what makes Pei Wei special is all of our food is freshly made. We don't make anything until you order it. So having that freshness makes the food taste amazing. And so we'll start cooking it up right now.
All right, so what's the first step here? What are we adding?
I've got to heat up the wok nicely, and then I just put just a touch of oil, just a little touch of oil just to get the wok nicely coated. And then the first thing I'm going to do is put in our honey mango sauce. I'm going to get that going in there, bring that to a little boil. And next step, some chili peppers.
And why do you think the mango works really well with the spice of the chili peppers, and what are you adding there?
Yeah, this is a chili paste, and it's the sweetness from the mangoes, the sweetness from our sauce, plus the chili flakes, the chili peppers, the chili oil. It all just comes together nicely. So now I'm going to add in the chicken, which is a crispy chicken.
So what is the secret at home? We want to get our sauce nice and hot like you are here.
Yeah, it's just about impossible to do. You've got to come to Pei Wei. We've got these super high-powered jets. This gas gets up to, this fire gets up to 1,600 degrees. It's impossible to do at home, so you've got to come here to get it. So now I'm going to throw in my mangoes. So we got our mangoes here, and I'm going to add just a touch of chili oil.
And those mangoes look so fresh and sweet.
Yes, they are. They're delicious. So I'm just going to give this a couple tosses, and we're good to go here. And I'm going to plate this up.
Okay, what do you rate this dish? Because there's so many good items on the menu.
There's so many good items. This has become my favorite. Ever since we started training this a couple months ago, we're just so excited about it. For me personally, it's just the combination of all the different flavors. So really, really delicious.
And now look at that, Chef. You've got one for you and one for me.
Absolutely, yeah. And we've got the fresh lime here, and I'm gonna grab that for this one because the fresh lime really brings out the flavor. So give it a squeeze when you come and try it.
Oh yeah, let's do that. Let's grab a lime for your dish. Where is it?
Yeah.
Right here behind us?
It may not be. Yeah, I think.
All right. Well, you guys, this isn't going to survive very long, Chef. This looks so good.
Yeah.
Smells good. And we've got more coming up in the next couple of minutes as well. We're giving you a peek at what else is on the menu. We'll send it back to you guys.
It looks delicious.
That looks really good, doesn't it?
Yeah, I bet. And that lime, it just adds that little extra kick with the citrus.
Zest.
So good.
All right. Now my stomach's kind of grumbling a little bit.
All right, well, too bad. We got more news after the break. I mean, what are we going to do?
No snack for you.
The men and women of the armed forces